Before installing, please review the provided instruction manual and make sure all components are present. Step 1. Install 2 castings to the rail mount. Assemble as shown. The larger casting will face the smaller lip of the rail mount. Using the hardware provided, insert the screws from the bottom up. Apply thread lock, then washers and nuts. Do not fully tighten. Step 2. Insert the leg into the rail mount assembly. Make sure the groove is facing the larger lip of the rail mount. Next, attach the leg and casting to the rail mount with screws, washers, thread lock, and nuts. Tighten all hardware. Step 3. Slide the plastic cover onto the leg and make sure that the weather guard logo is not on the side of the leg with the groove. Tighten all hardware. Step 4. Assemble the gussets with the provided screws and nut plates. Make sure to thread all of the bolts with thread lock. Then slide the assembled gusset into the open slot of the groove. Step 5. Apply protective tape on top of the crossmember. On the crossmember bar there are 2 open slots. The bigger slot is the top of the crossmember and is used for the ladder stops. The smaller slot is where the assembled leg is attached. Slide the nut plates on the assembled leg into the grooves of the crossmember. Step 6. Install the ladder knob, tooth lock washer, and square nut plate to the ladder stop. Slide the assembly in the larger slot on the crossmember. Attach the end caps to the crossmembers. Step 7. Place 2 rubber protective strips where the ladder rack will sit on the bed rail. Place 1 complete assembly on the protective strips, then slide 2 clamps into the grooves of each rail leg mount. Place the clamp bolt foot between the bolt and underside of the bed rail. Center the crossmembers and tighten all gussets and screws. Step 8. Cut the foam strip into 4 pieces. Insert into the slots of the legs. If you have any questions or need help, visit our website or contact customer service.